Can you see yourself in the 2012 Chevrolet Avalanche? With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a closer look at this striking Chevrolet Avalanche, the full-size utility vehicle that blends pickup capability with SUV comfort and style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: 4x4, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel comfortable and prepared in this versatile Avalanche. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.